You're just a cute little one. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Let's dance, baby. Get it on. You didn't see anything, did you? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex, and today I am going to be showing you some of my stuffed animal collection. I really hope you love this video, and it just makes me so glad that you guys are watching it, because finally I got one subscriber. One subscriber, you guys, or one like. Seriously, people, you need to subscribe. If you can't find Delilah Gonzalez, my name starts with an S. I write it Delilah Gonzalez. Like, I even have something that has my name on it. Like, I have this note that I'm sending to Jacksepticeye, because he's my favorite YouTuber. Delilah Gonzalez with an S. And then you put a happy face on it. Happy face. So anyways, I am going to show you my stuffed animal collection. We're going to be here for hours and hours. So let's get started. So I'll start with the one, like this old one I got. This is a pillow pet. And it's one of those, you know. And you can also just suffocate in it. See? Yeah, so you could do that too. And I think this one's really funny. Because, like, when I was younger, I used to put it on my head and I'd walk around saying, I got an animal on my head. I got an animal on my head. So the second one is my cleanest, driest teddy bear. What I mean by cleanest and driest, I mean like no wet spots on it, just like all like clean, like a baby's bottom. Like my brother's bottom. His bottom is like a baby's face. I don't get that. Didn't make any sense, Delilah. What the heck? Whatever, so that one's good. This is I remember this. This is those animals that, you know, they walk and then they sit and you tell them to get up and they never get up. Why would you stand up? I have issues. So the second one is something from my papa. He bought me this from St. Labrina School, celebrating 125 years. Thank you, I love this, so, yeah. This one is my wolf. I got it from a collector's choice. It says collector's choice, and I'm like, oh god. So we got that, and next up we've got my, like, teddy bear that is really, really fun and loving to me, and I love it so much, and I just love it, so, yeah. I have a snake, too, which is really fun. I have a snake, and as you can see, I made like a bandoloom necklace for it. Her name is Sunshine, and I love her so much. Yay. So I also have this giant, like kind of giant teddy bear, and it used to be as tall as me when I was younger, so that was terrifying. I always called it giant for some reason. So anyways, I call it giant, so boop, plop. Next on my list I have a Build-A-Bear, which was a, like, stuffed up bear that I stuffed. Stuffy, 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 woo, woo. It's from like Koala's Care, I think. And I really love it so much. And I used to like say their hands and I go clap, 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 clap. And I'd have like someone else go clap, 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 like clap, clap. Clap, 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 clap. So, yeah. So, oh God. We have this one. And make sure I am wearing shorts. You probably just can't see them because they're really short. So. And you can't do this. Oh, no, no, no. I am not showing you on camera anymore. Okay, I love you. Oh, you're sweet. Okay, so we have another, like, little animal things. But this one is, like, bigger and more fluffy. And it has, like, a remote control. So you can control it like this. It teaches ladies how to play with video games. And I love it. So the next one is, because I love the Cowboys. I love the Cowboys, so I got this little Build-A-Bear, and it's stuffed up Troy Aikman. It's a Troy Aikman. And I really love it. It's so cool. And thank you, my grandma and grandparents, for taking me there, and my parents for buying me stuff, and I love it. I'm melting. So, I also have this. I don't know what it's from, but it's very cute. Who is it? Okay. So we have this, and it is so cool to me. My brother, he's one, and he gave it to me under, like, my door. Like, he tried to slide it under the door, like, and then I'm like, what is going on? And I open the door, I'm like, ooh. So, I think that's it. That's it. So, thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!